Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be switching out my exhaust today finally. Yeah! Little MBRP right here. That's what I'm talking about. So I just thought I'd go ahead and make the video on changing out the exhaust. I already got the 4 springs off. 4 exhaust springs. This should be a considerable, from what I've been reading, 13 pounds difference that you drop off the front end of this thing. So hopefully this should go off without a hitch. Hopefully. That's always the idea anyways, but we'll see. You know, we'll see. I suppose I'm gonna have to take that one off too. Not really quite sure how that's gonna come off here, but hopefully we'll shouldn't be too bad, I hope. So guys, I just heard about this. Apparently this flame issue or something with the C-Tech 2, and there's already an updated version of the motor or something, which doesn't make me very happy, but if anybody knows anything about that, that'd be great. Put it in the comments below. Just kind of tell me what you know. I haven't really read about it yet or anything, so I'm just trying to figure out what it's all about and everything. So if you guys know anything, that'd be great. If you wouldn't mind sharing that with me, I would appreciate that. Aha, I didn't need to take that off, son of a bitch. So we'll just put that back on. Feed that back over there. So obviously we already know what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. So we'll do a before and after kind of deal. All right. So take this big flipping can out of here. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna have to have that off, I think. Otherwise, I don't know if I'm gonna be able. Oh, maybe it will come out. She's a tight fit. Yo, man. Come on, man. Give me a little bit of room here. I can't imagine it. Of course, why would it be? We don't want her to be too easy, you know? We almost got her. And then I go and do that. There we go. There we go. All right. Get this big stupid thing out of here. Jeez, this thing's huge. Everything's looking okay. Looking good, looking good. All right. So, onward to the new stuff. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's exciting. Oh man, they even gave me a puller. I just use the pliers, whatever. Figure hell, it all works the same. Although that probably would have made it a little bit easier, but it wasn't too bad. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. MBRP. No, they are not sponsoring this whatsoever. I just like their product. I think they make a damn good product. I've always liked their stuff, so. I'll take that, and I'll take this. Please and thank you. Bada bing, bada boom. Jeez, look at the size difference, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, see, it's a little different. A little different. That thing is a lead weight. This seems like a feather compared to that thing. Jeez. All right. So, let's drop it on in here. All right. So it comes right down in here like so. This is nice how you just use the existing rubber deals here. And then kapow! That one goes right here. Yeah, I've just always really liked MBRP. I got MBRP exhaust on my truck. You know, they just seem like they make a pretty good product. I never had any issues with it. That's just amazing how much room that frees up. Let's try their fancy little schmancy. What's this say? Remove all the springs securing the stock muffler. Place the springs. Okay. Remove the expansion chamber. Remove the rubber bushings from the stock muffler and transfer. Install it. Then reinstall the expansion chamber. Reusing the stock gasket. Reuse the stock springs to secure the muffler. Oh yeah, I suppose I probably should have did that. I don't know if I have any more RTV. Oh shit. Son of a gun. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. All right. All right, one moment, please. We'll get that done here. Alright, there's one. Well, them suckers are tight. Well, I suppose they have to be. There's two. Alright. Now let me just whoa, let's see here. Also, too, guys, let me know what your, what's your guys' favorite exhaust? You know, I mean, I think everybody's kind of got their own little, probably what they like, what they don't, I'm sure. Put that in the comments down there too. I'd like to know what everyone kind of likes to run. Everything's just so tight in there, you know? There's just isn't a lot of room to work. There just really isn't a whole lot of room to work. Let's see what we can do here. We'll figure out something here eventually. I'll make something work. All right, let's see where this puts us at here for tension. Maybe a little bit more would be good, probably. Let's see if we can get that thing that's screwed up here a little bit more. Well, guys, that should do it. And there you have it. One MBRP race can installed. That went pretty good, I'd say. I'm pleased with it. So now, let's hear what she sounds like, huh? Shall we? I think we shall. Oh yeah. All right, guys. As usual, thanks for tuning in. Hope you liked the video. Smash that like button for me, would you? And it'd be huge if you'd subscribe. I would really appreciate that. It helps things out quite a bit. So I'm gonna keep them coming. And again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Last Chance Legacy. Here we go.